You just found the 2023 Honda Odyssey. Look forward to even the most ordinary outings when you drive this sleek, comfortable Odyssey. Its smart tech keeps you safe and connected, while its thoughtful interior features assure a relaxing, peaceful passenger experience. It's so powerful and nimble that you may forget you're driving a minivan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, power passenger seat, fog lamps. Powerful, agile cargo hauler meets safe, comfortable family oasis. Drive the Honda Odyssey.